are, mile zero.
Mile zero. What do you think, Mark?
I haven't got a clue, as per usual.
Oh, look. It's Takati Rudge.
She is from the Mojave Trail.
Here's Cam, trail dog.
So we got a 74 F100. Wellesley got an FJ. Oscar's got a Behemoth. This is my Jeep. It's a Rubicon.
It's a nice day today, my friends.
This is Reggie. Welcome to the Smelly and Dusty. We're here on the Mojave Trail.
It's like a day and a half, 2 days across the Mojave Desert. It's about 130 miles across.
We're in the first mile, and we've all got smiles on our faces, and you'll see what happens in a couple of days.
We're planning on going about 3 hours in, and then we'll make camp for tonight.
Carter, someone stole his antenna.
What's happening?
They tried to steal the whole thing. It was someone tried to steal. It was unplugged and the winch missed.
Look at there, somebody stole his antenna.
Yeah.
Oh, Wellesley.
Beat me to replacing it. It was all beat up.
Theft on these vehicles happens a lot. A lot of valuable stuff on here.
Oh, there he goes.
You know, a goodbye or hey, let's roll or something would be nice for a change. I think something.
We are here on the map, trying to get to here before the sun goes behind there.
I have learned that no one else can carry this load. It's a train where I'm the only passenger on board. Oh, there is beauty to enjoy on this road. But even so, I still feel that I'm alone. I'm alone. I'm alone. I'm alone. Leave me stranded, I know how to handle it all on my own. I'm alone. I'm alone. I'm alone.
You're already drinking.
Well, it is 5 to 8.
It's a fun little section of the road because it's all these Joshua trees that you weave in and out of. Penny can. Supposed to leave a penny in the can. People have left other things though.
Put a penny in the can.
Good luck, I guess. I don't know.
Here we are gearing up to go down the hill. Let's take a look at what we're working with.
Well, I'm gonna go down this way.
Okay. Yeah, that's
Probably gotta be the way to go.
So this next section is a little tricky. Kind of straight down with a lot of rocks. It's like falling off of rocks as you go down the trail. Okay, it's a little nerve-wracking, but fun. So here we go. Well, so after that little adventure, it's time to stop for lunch. We're gonna stop at the Government Holes. The Government Holes was a place where water was available. They had raised cattle, mostly horses, and that was all to supply the soldiers. Let's see what's up here. There's a little water tank inside the water tank that the windmill actually supplies. About to come up on the mailbox. Travelers, people coming through, they can put things in the mailbox for others who may come by later, or you can look in the mailbox, and if there's something in the mailbox you need, you can take it.
Here's what we got in the mailbox. So we got some jerky, some Band-Aids.
Mailbox is over there, then over here, mess of frogs. Bunch of gnomes.
Here's campsite number 2. Here's Mr. Hunter hanging out on this side, very close to power.
What's happening?
Everyone good to go? All set. Gotta go.
Trailer flew up about 4 feet.
Yeah, I felt it.